Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm a little behind. I joined Ipsy, IPSY, to get a mail at home little package, and it has little like samples, makeup, just beauty stuff, you know. And I ordered it like later in September, so I got my September bag a little late. Not a little late, but towards the end of the month, and then all of a sudden, before I knew it, the October bag came, and I'm like, I didn't even do the September one. So I'm gonna do both of them in one video. And it kind of works because I can use all the products together. And I have to tell you, the thing that I think I love the most, this is $10 a month. I'm sure most of you already know about it. I've never done like these at-home mailing boxes and deliveries where you get surprise stuff. I'm really just testing it out because I don't know how long I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to try it out because I just feel like I don't want to, unless I really like all the stuff every time. If I get like every month I get stuff that I really don't like, it's kind of a waste for me, because if I don't like the product, I'd rather spend my money on something that I like, even though it's cheap. And for the Ipsy, $10 a month is definitely worth it because they send the stuff, at least so far, in bags. Okay, so this was September's bag, and it's like a really nice little makeup bag. Get in there. And this is October's bag, and it's like really nice. Like, I'm gonna get these bags all the time. I mean, for $10, it's like, I'm just gonna get them for the bags. How many bags do I really need, right? My daughter already has dibs on this one though. But anyway, so let me go, and I'll start with the September bag that I got. So I noticed, as opposed to like the BoxyCharm that I got, which were full sized, you know, makeup and all that, which is, I think it comes to more money for that, but this is that Ipsy. So again, this was $10 a month. So yeah, it's $10 a month, and what I got in this bag was, I got Dr. BRANDT microdermabrasion age defying exfoliator, which I just used. It's anti-aging. It's supposed to make your skin feel really good. My skin feels nice. I mean, I'd have to use it a few more times to really see if I feel a difference, but it's supposed to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. And it smells really nice. It's like lemony, which is different for your face. I've never really smelled a lemony product for my face, but I really liked it. So yeah, so all skin types. So I did just use this now. And again, it has to I have to use it a few more times. So I got that. I got a Thank Me Later face primer, mattifying, Elizabeth MOTT. I mean, these are all like sample sizes. So we have a face primer. We have HANALEI matte bronzer. It's like a little sample bronzer. I have a Bella Pierre Cosmetics. See, this is fun because I've never heard of some of these products. I got a lipstick. This is a pretty color. And let's hope that I like that. I could tell I already like it. It's in incognito. I don't know. You know my lipstick issue all the time, but it's a lipstick, so I like that. And I got a brush. Let's see. Luxie. Am I saying that right? Luxie. This is a thick brush. Number 140, for those of you who know your brushes. Detail Tapered Blender. It's nice. It's kind of like pointy on the end. So yeah, so I'm gonna go through my next bag too, because then we're gonna just like play with both bags. So in my October bag, which is this really nice bag, I love it. It's got like a masquerade mask. And it's like fake leather, I love it. Okay, so in here I got First Aid Beauty Fab Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration for Parched Skin, Safe for Sensitive Skin. So it's an all-over body lotion. I got another brush. This brush is eyebrow brush from Brosse, B-R-O-S-S-E. No, I'm sorry. From Beam Jackie. I hope I'm saying that right. This is like the angled one, so you can use it for eyebrow or eyeliner. Got that. IBY Beauty, IBY Radiant Glow Highlighter in Prosecco. That's nice. And I got Makeup Forever Invisible Cover Foundation. So that's nice. Let's hope it's my color, because you put in your color, skin type and all that, your eye color, your hair color, everything. And then I got, it looks like from Naked Cosmetics, a heavy metal eyeshadow. It's like a coppery shadow. So I'm gonna, you know, just play with all this. I'm not gonna obviously do a big heavy makeup look, but I'll just play with what I got, and I guess it'll be like a natural look. Okay, so again, mixing both months together, I'm going to go in with the Thank Me Later Face Primer. It's mattifying from Elizabeth Mott. And again, I've mentioned this, but I haven't really been using face primers lately because, I don't know, it's just like a step, and I'm wondering, do I really even need it? Because when I am going without it, I feel like my face is the same, sometimes even better. I'm not getting it. So this consistency is really nice, actually. I don't know if you could see that. It's thick, so I'm hoping it'll fill my pores, which is the only reason I do kind of use a primer. Put it in my, oh, it feels good. It does remind me of the Tarte. So that is on. It does feel nice, actually. I do like that. So then I'll go in now with this Makeup Forever foundation. Might be a little dark, but that's all right, we'll see. It's a little pump. I mean, honestly, if I could get all my foundations and everything like this, I would love that, because this is a good way to try it and see if you really like something. Because I hate, especially some foundations are so much money, and then you spend all that money on a foundation if you don't love it. You know, then you're stuck with it, and you're stuck spending, you're stuck with less money in your bank account, I'll say that. So I don't want to start off with a lot, I'm going to start with a little. And I'm back to using brushes. I don't know what it is. I'm back to using my brushes. I was using the beauty blenders for a while. And yeah. I don't want to put a lot on. I'm going to keep this simple. It doesn't even look like I have anything on, which is like a good thing. I mean like it's not cakey, but it did conceal me, actually. I don't know if that's the right word. It did, like, you know, let me put just a little more. I just like to put a little on my cheek area, because if anything, that area might have a little more, like, you know, redness. This is the IT Cosmetics brush. I really like this for applying foundation. Okay. I do like that. See, now if I really like it, I would go buy, you know, the whole thing. That's really nice. Okay, and now let's go in with this HANALEI matte bronzer. Comes this little sample packet, which again, I really, actually now I'm starting, at first I didn't know if I liked to have just a small little amount, but it's actually a really good idea instead of wasting product that you might not like. So isn't that a good idea? And you really are getting a lot. Like, I'm gonna have a lot of uses out of all of this, the foundation and the bronzer. Go in with a little heavier hand, maybe. Okay, I feel like I'm not getting a lot on here, but it could just be because it's like small. It's all right. I've got my brush. I'm just going to use this. It's actually subtle, which is my favorite word for makeup. If it's subtle, I like it because I could build it up then. I don't like it to be too like, and then I have too much on, and then what do? Okay, so I do like that. It's pretty, very natural looking, I think, right? What else do I have here? Okay, let's go in with this IBY Radiant Glow Highlighter. IBY Beauty, IBY Beauty. Oh my God, I can't get it out. Open the box. And this is the perfect size. I still have my highlighter from Becca, this size, and I use it all the time. So I'm just gonna use my finger because I'm too lazy to go get my brush. I left it in the other room. Sometimes, just like in the kitchen, our fingers can be the best tool, right? This is very pretty. It's called Prosecco, interestingly. I love Prosecco. It's pretty. Can you see the glow? I like it. Adding another highlighter to my collection. Very pretty, very subtle, very, very nice. And what else do I have? You know what? Let me quickly do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay, my eyebrows are done, and so far I really like the way everything looks. It's a very natural look, which I love the natural look. So yeah, so let me continue, and I'm gonna go right in with this Naked Cosmetics foil. I shouldn't say foil. I don't know why I said foil. This Naked Cosmetics Heavy Metal eyeshadow. So I'm assuming I'll just put it on my finger. I'll try the brush, even though this isn't, I don't think, for that, but let's just try the brush, why not? Some got in the cover here, so I'm gonna just go into that first. Yeah, there's plenty there I could go into. Okay, let's see how that goes. I'm literally just gonna use this color. That's it. I'm not doing any transition, I'm not doing anything else. I'm just gonna use this color all over my eye. Oh, that's serious color. All right, I'm gonna go in with my finger because, oh, well, no, I turned the brush around. I should probably use the primer, but it's okay. Let me go in with my finger now. I think that'll work better, yeah. Eee, a lot went. I used a lot, okay. I'm just gonna like rub it up to kind of like, maybe I'll have to use another color. Maybe not. I just want to keep this like really simple. It's almost like more yellowy, right? It's gold. It's pretty. It's pretty stunning. I like it. It went on nice. And I only use my fingers, and just for using my fingers, I think it actually blended nice. So let me now go put some, a little liner on and my lashes, and we'll see what we have left. Okay, so I finished my eyes. Simple look. I didn't want to do a heavy look. What else is there? I didn't get to use this brush, but I'm definitely going to use it because I wanted an extra one of these anyway. And I have lipstick left. Bella Pierre Cosmetics in Incognito. So, this looks really pretty. Please let me like this, please. Okay, lip liner. I'm just gonna put like my usual Lottie London Slay All Day. It's getting smaller and smaller if you haven't noticed. Okay, here we go. Why am I so picky? Why do colors look funny on me? I don't understand it. All right, I mean, it would look good like that, right? But then I add these yellow eyes and I don't know. Shoot. I don't know. It's pretty, but I'm not gonna use it with these gold yellow eyes, I think, right? Do you agree? It's fine, it's okay. So I kind of like the way this looks. I really like the way my face looks. I like this Makeup Forever foundation. It looks really nice, really natural. The highlighter is very pretty. I put a little more than I would normally put on. I normally would not wear this gold, but on a Saturday night if I'm going out, why not? Depending on my outfit, right? I think it's really pretty. And I like it because it's not like, it's not too like shiny. I know you're thinking, what, you're crazy? Like, it's like the yellow light, you know, flashing yellow light. But if you look at it close, it's not like as sparkly, I guess I should say. It's kind of pretty. You know, it would look better. Let me see, maybe I should add some browns. Okay, let me look at my my Man-Eater palette. I love this thing. I'm just gonna go in with like neutrals, just to see if that will kind of, because I think maybe that alone wasn't so great of an idea. Let's do that. I can already see it. So actually, it's mixing better too with my lipstick. Just like tone down this yellow maybe. I thought I could do it. I thought it was gonna be more like a copper, but it's pretty yellow. So maybe we'll just use it more as an accent on the lid instead of all over like I thought I was going to do. Already 100 times better. I mean, what am I going to use this for? Let's play with it. I feel like it's improved, right? I couldn't just go in with that color alone. I'm doing like a really quick look here, so I apologize if I feel like I'm rushing. I think that's better, right? Than just the gold alone. Because that was like really gold. Better? Just like subtle on the lid there? I think so. Now that, I would actually do that, and with a more neutral lip color, right? So yeah, so I really do like the idea of this Ipsy because, again, I'm just trying different brands and I might end up liking something a lot, and if I don't like it, I'm not wasting like a whole bottle and I'm not wasting a lot more money. So I think it's worth the value for sure, and again, just for the bags alone, like I love it. I'll just like always replace my makeup bag, and these bags will come in handy for anything. I mean, think about it. So I'm excited about that. Oh, don't forget the hand cream. I'm obsessed with cream because all day the soap at work is so bad in the bathroom. I'm constantly, oh, that smells good. I'm constantly putting lotion on. I have lotion in my pocketbook. I probably have like 2 or 3 lotions in my pocketbook. I have it at work, at my desk. I have it at home, by my sink in the kitchen, in the bathroom. Okay, the smell went away. That's weird. But yeah, very nice, very nourishing. I like that. That was really nice. What is that? Ultra Repair Cream. First Aid Beauty Fab. Very nice. Did I get everything? I think I did. And yeah, thumbs up. So I can't wait for my next bag already. I'm already collecting a lot of makeup though. I feel like with these, you know, monthly subscriptions, I'm gonna be collecting a lot more than I probably need, but you know, I have 2 teenage daughters who have no problem helping me use up my products here. So, okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. And please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you have not. And until next time, I'll catch you later.